Hello guys, this is Percy of Percy Deals. Nandito na lang po tayo para sa mga how-to videos natin at mga tips. So, let's watch it!
Yes, tama po. ECG po ang topic natin ngayon. Bakit? Marami pa rin kasi sa ating ang nagkakamali at nalilito sa paglalagay ng leads ng ECG. Pero bago ang lahat, alamin muna natin sa American Heart Association ang meaning ng ECG. So ngayon, alam na natin ang meaning ng ECG. Tignan na natin kung paano ilagay ang mga chest leads at ang mga limb leads. Unahin na natin ang limb leads. RA or right arm, nagre-represent ng leads 1 and AVR. Anywhere between the right shoulder and the elbow. LA, the left arm, nagre-represent ng leads 2 and AVL. Anywhere between the left shoulder and the elbow. LL, left leg, nagre-represent ng leads 3 and AVF, anywhere above the left ankle and below the torso. RL, right leg, ito ang ground or ang neutral lead, anywhere above the right ankle and below the torso. Punta naman tayo sa chest leads. V1, red, fourth intercostal space to the right of the sternum. V2, yellow, fourth intercostal space to the left of the sternum. V3, green, midway between V2 and V4. V4, brown, fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. V5, black, anterior axillary line at the same level as V4. V6, violet, mid-axillary line at the same level as V4 and V5. Alam na natin kung paano ang tamang paglagay ng mga leads ng ECG. Meron nga bang pagkakaiba sa result pag mali ang pagkakalagay ng chest leads? Opo, meron. Pag masyadong mataas ang pagkakalagay natin ng V1 at V2, pwede siyang mag-mimic ng MI or magkakaroon ng T-wave inversion. Kung masyado namang mababa o malayo ang pagkakalagay natin ng chest leads, magkakaroon din ito ng maling result or misdiagnosis. So, ingat lang tayo kasi dito nagbe-base ang mga doctors and cardiologists sa management ng patient natin. So ngayong alam na natin, tara na, mag-ECG na tayo.
After explaining the procedure to the patient, let the patient lie down comfortably and connect the leads. RA, anywhere between the shoulder and the elbow, leads 1 and AVR. LA, anywhere between the shoulder and the elbow, leads 2 and AVL. LL, anywhere above the ankle and below the torso, leads 3 and AVF. RL, anywhere above the ankle and below the torso. This is the ground. V1, fourth intercostal space to the right of the sternum. V2, fourth intercostal space to the left of the sternum. V3, midway between V2 and V4. V4, fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. V6, mid-axillary line at the same level as V4 and V5. V5, anterior axillary line at the same level as V4. And now,
We will go to the machine and turn it on. The switch button is at the back. Now select mode, select auto, press run. And we're done.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.